Greetings everybody, back again, we're back again. The Mzansi Football, we're back, we're analyzing the football games. Yeah, you're here with your presenter of the day, Lojdowski. I'm here with my brother, Stu man, Skipan.
Nan boy.
Mina ngimnani. Yeah, Bram, yabona sla, Bram Makaza, Mariaz is corner, Slays corner, Sanaliza Velitis. You understand? Yeah, Bram, back to business. CAF Champions League, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, 2 Pyramids. Yo, congratulations to Pyramids, they're the champions for the first time in continental football of Africa. Yeah, what a journey for Pyramids. They've won 4-1 in the quarterfinals at home against Rabat. They've won 3-2 against Orlando Pirates in the semi-finals. Yes, today again they won 2-1 against Mamelodi Sundowns. They are the champions, my brother. Skipan Bram, batshela ubona kanjani game?
Boy, game a bit clean. I think everything very expectations amaningi from inside the Pyramids. We have Zidlali behind the ball, men behind the ball.
Sure.
Aba entertaining. Like Santos Domitias badonsa bedlala ngama center backs 1-2 aba react kangaka.
Sure.
But bephinde bebuya yabo behind the ball then bese belindela ama chances la ukuthi Toli chance goal yabo clean kanjalo. Mistake yenze lo mjita mana ukekana ibacostile yabo.
Sure.
Nanokuthi game bingashisi kanga creativity bengekho first half first 45 minutes ikinto abayi created Sundowns bebena 0 shots on target. I shots eqalile leya Matthews na sha goalkeeper bese additional time 45 minutes. Yeah. I think that's it. And number totally goal la Renas. Bazamile ukubuya just to vele game vele isiphuchi level.
Mara lela goal Bram ngiyakhala offside phela.
Ngiyakhala boy.
Nakhona yaziwa ngisho so mangabheka angisho ba cross iball to uShalulile ne umuntu oheli iball phambili koShalulile if yena lo muntu bekangekho uShalulile bekazoliyeka iball i question yami le.
Beyangeke level because
so ene beka khoma ne reaction ukuthi uyakulo vele so wayeba ngayishanga offside
so thini to ya la Africa but ayikho into ethini ngala gola just ukuthi ngabo bebena mhlambe abanethemba ukuthi bangabuya ayikho into ethini game bimnandi just ukuthi nje bingenakho lokho like big tactical ya defender ngapha kwiside laba bazama ukudlala ibhola abahlanganisa just ukuhlangana maybe mhlawumbe kubani sibona abantu abafana nabo Mshishi nabo Mrena Eli mhlawumbe sheshisa bezama ukusheshisa igame mhlawumbe bezama ukungena ngaphakathi besha ama pass answimpo mhlawumbe ngenzeka something eside le Sundowns just ukuthi kwenza la lokho noModibe game ngathi bimthusa kancane ayikho ebithini defense lokho na ku midfield eish ngathi usheshwa overload lokho coach we Sundowns mhlambe kungenani ubani uzamile mhlambe adlale ngomuntu oyi1 la ku defensive mhlambe afaka uDebza then lo munye mhlambe emfaka second half just ebona ukuthi
because Alende no Adams vele bashaya Spanish
bashaya Spanish
ama number 8 vele bayi2
number 8 bayi2 mhlambe afake creative midfielder laphana yabo mhlambe njengabo Mshishi just uthi akanawo ama options amaningi ngapha yabo but
no Mayema beka khona masap
anginaka ngamaseps kodwa bemile ngabe bekhona but just ukuthi ufaka umuntu one experience nyana yabo like uMshishi yabo umshasha yabo into efana nalezo
mara Bram wena mawubhekile maningi inkinga Miguel Cardoso nayi final uyiluzile mara mina bengiyibona man like ngathini lama win labo quarter final ne semi final man it was not convincing so that's why mina makuza ku final bengibhekile ukuthi phela iPyramids home yakora amagoal you understand so wena mawubhekile Miguel Cardoso yini imlahle kuphi le game
nakubani befuna uCrespanta kusebe clean the time la Pretoria bekumele nje edlala into clean
make sure
hamba ne-win straight ethi awufika ngalo yazi vele sidlalela ukuthi edintweni ethile yabo manje ngoba ihambe nento edraw lana and laba shaya goal advantage ngaleni bengekho lula kangakho akuyonto ethini nje
so Bram nayi manje Pyramids Bram coach Pyramids le coach le slam man uthini ngale coach yeah Krunoslav
coach nawe uthi yakwazi like ngathi uya-analyze yonke into ukuthi kwenzakalani
because any moment they change a game in
like no change umbone ukuthi uyafuna ukuya phambili just ukuthi uyabuya futhi ezothi no adlale man behind the ball uyayazi into yakho like man behind the ball yakhe yamsebenza because naye yaphambili most of the time uyayibona ukuthi afuna ukuyicreate ukuthi asifuna igoli then abuye zo defend and football defender kahle ayike into ethini ngayisho bra
Mayele ehlukumeza le defense yonke Brian
amfana lo style nde uyapressa khona la uya clean ngakhona hayi into esiyisho ngoba phela ayish neke ngathi bithukile le defense namhlanje fana nama long ball nabe wadlala like nawe wafika abebengakhona ukuthi babambe bebapha phansi king iSundowns like bemeli mhlawumbe nakayi head le kwelinye side or mhlawumbe agcine end up loser igcine thola opponent yabo like game bingekho clean kangako defensive Sundowns ebiclean Pyramids ayibi clean bingafuni lutho
sure Khuliso Mtau Bram Sailor the Sailor what a play
hleza mnandi lamchita akaze asiphoxa ngawo hleza mnandi hleza clean vele bebe ade sikulindile into efana naye le nto le
so Bram any message to Mamelodi Sundowns abaplayer ukuthi bafethu manje sidliwile siya ku Club World Cup next season sifuna ukubuya or silungisa kanjani
akwamanje basenjini mfana ngoba beku Club World Cup ne group abakuyo le ama team akhona ngathi
amnandi ikho team engekho Club World Cup
bona nje nabe ngamisela abafocus kuyo Club World Cup next season abazobuya belungise vele bahlezi like bemnandi when it comes to eMzansi Club World Cup sibafisela okuhle nje sibaphethe bafethu representile abathembe nje edlala noma kuzobe kunzima ngeke kube lulanga because group yabo angiboni ukuthi bazophuma kalula lapha
Michael Kwatoso do you sack him or uyamyeka aqhubeke nespan sakhe
abamnike chance ku Club World Cup na ababona ukuthi wenzani abo mhlambe ngasusurprise shine into enzima nakuthi kanjani bambona ukuthi uyabheda ayish
mara Bram Club World Cup elenzima even if ama surprise azuza nawo maphi
surprise asazi obona la kule yabona nabe checka kuma group stages ukuthi uzodlala kanjani mhlambe singamnike time kahlala ama ukuthi wenze ezinye sebengaba nama option mhlambe
sure any message to Pyramids
akongra bafana badlalile nothing much siyafisa nathi kufana nabo izicross bafethi actually careful
what a game. What a continental football in Africa. Yeah, it has been a very, very tough journey for Mamelodi Sundowns after losing in the last game of the final, and it has been a good journey for Pyramids for making it the first CAF Champions League trophy. And we'd like to say congratulations to Pyramids for all the hard work they've put, for all the effort they've put in this tournament. The goals, everything, the glory. Hey, this is a big success for those players. The change of them into their lives, those players, that team, nobody knew about Pyramids, but here they are. They're the champions today in Africa. All in all, congratulations to Pyramids. Don't forget to say, subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is Mzansi Football. Danko.